Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Yogita's Rehab Point. In this video, I am going to give a very short overview about golfer's elbow. So please grab your notebooks because these notes really gonna help you to understand the perspective. So the other name of the golfer's elbow is medial epicondylitis. So epicondylitis is basically means the medial side of the humerus inflammates. Itis is always mean inflammation. So anywhere you see the word itis, it just means inflammation. So you can remember these two names because these are really helpful clinically. So in the next slide, I'm going to show you the two diagrams which simply differentiate the tennis elbow and golfer's elbow. So anytime you can simply pause the video and understand the slide clearly. So now I'm going to switch with the clinical features. So basically the tennis elbow is very common among the patient. The golfer's elbow cases are little rare in compared to that, and tenderness at the medial epicondyle is there. So when you really palpate the patient, you will see the tenderness in the medial side of the elbow. And also the set of inflammation is very common. You will see the inflammation at the origin of the flexor group of muscles, so they usually inflammate. So these were the basic clinical features of golfer's elbow. So please write these points. I will also give the book's reference in the description so you can read that from there as well. But basically I've covered everything. So in this diagram you will see the location of medial and lateral epicondyle. So the reason of a golfer's elbow is basically the common flexor group are strained or torn from the medial epicondyle. So due to that the patient ends up with golfer's elbow. And also the moments when the pain will aggravate is the extension of the elbow and also supination. So these two moments will increase the pain, and also valgus strain also aggravates the pain. So you can note these down, the basic moments and the reason of golfer's elbow. So this is the diagram with the labeling, and let's switch with the treatment now. So basically students, the treatment is very same such as the tennis elbow, but we give also steroid injections locally to the muscle belly, and we elevate the limb to decrease inflammation, and also range of motion exercise passive movements are given to the patient, and shoulder girdle is helpful for relaxation. So that was the end of video. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. Bye.